Hi, this is Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, K.S. Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about test plan. A test plan is developed to detect and identify potential problems before delivering the software to its user. A test plan also offers a roadmap for testing activities. Steps to create a test plan or objective of the test, development of a test case, and test analysis. Objective of the test. Create the objective and describe how to achieve them and if the objective is usability of the system. Development of a test case. Develop test data, both input and expected output based on the domain of the data and the expected behavior that must be tested. Last one is test analyze, examine test output and documentation the test result. If bugs are detected, then this is reported and the activity centers on debugging. After debugging, step 1 to 3 must be repeated until no bugs can be detected. Who should do the testing? The testings are done by the designers and quality assurance group. What type of testings are done by the designer and quality assurance group? Regression testing, beta testing, and alpha testing. Regression testing. All past tests should be repeated with the revised program is called regression testing, which can discover errors introduced during the debugging process when sufficient test is believed to have been conducted. This fact should be reported and testing for the specific product is complete. Next one is beta testing. Most software companies uses this testing. It is a popular, inexpensive and effective way to test software on a selected group of actual user of the system. Next one is alpha testing. Alpha testing is a contrast of beta testing. Alpha testing is done by in-house testers such as programmers, software engineer and internal users. Here we have guidelines for preparing test plan. Thomas developed the guidelines for writing test plans. First one, specify the format of your test plan. Specify requirements generated by user. Try to include as much as detail as possible about the test. The test plan should contain a schedule and a list of required resources. Identify what type of testing are necessary, such as black box testing, white box testing, and what level of test plan required. Keep the plan up to date. At the end of each milestone, fill routine updates. Next one is continuous testing. Testing must take place on continuous basis and this refining cycle must continue throughout the development process until you are satisfied with the results. During this iterative process, prototypes will be transformed incrementally into the actual applications. I hope you understand the concepts of test plan and the guidelines of the test plan. Thank you.